Hello, Jay Stone. It's Joe Garcia over at Social Web Pros. I'm finishing up your GMB. I wanted to show you what I've done. So you have been created. Here's the company, Google My Business, and the information that you provided is all here. Your address, the countries you service, your hours, your phone number, your website, and the description of your services. You opened up in 2016. I added the photos that are on your website, your logo, um, and we need more photos. If you have photos, if you have videos, once we get verified, your pending verification, we can continue to add photos and optimize it a little bit more. So I'll still do a little bit more work for you on this after you get it verified. So the next step is you're not live, you're not gonna show up on searches like this yet until you get verified. You are gonna be getting a postcard. Let me see here. Try to show you what a postcard looks like. I have a postcard here to show you. Here you go. Okay, this is your account email to access the Google My Business. It's JstoneManagementGroup@gmail.com. The password is 1716 Andrew. First name Stone Management. You won't need Stone Management to log in. You can use this just for your GMB, and so you can do ads, you can do a bunch of things with it. You're gonna get a postcard that looks like this. There will be a code like this, and then we'll need to enter that code. The front of the envelope looks like this, Google My Business, and then you'll open it up, and then there'll be the verification code, and then that goes here when you. I'm gonna pause because there's a airplane or a helicopter. So once we get that code, we're gonna verify you. And the other thing that I'll show you how to do is do updates. And these are posts. You can make an offer, you can update, you can offer an event if you're gonna have, for instance, an open house to meet more talent or whatever. You can certainly promote events, and all you do is go here. You add a photo. You always want to add a photo because it stands out more, like this one here. I manage this account for Mr. Pool Cleaning, or actually Mr. Clean Pool Service. I just did this post for him. Um, and what you want to do, obviously, is uh, you want to do a lot of posts. I did this one for him. I did this one 4 days ago. 4 days ago, and then this one was in March, February. I haven't been doing as many because he's really busy. He really can't take too much more business, so I'm not doing it as much. But I did it in the beginning. I did it a lot because, you have a lot of opportunity to show people your business on Google, and so I did all these things for him. I totally put him on the website, and so there's his presence on the website is huge, and he's getting a lot of business. So anyway, see, this is all the photos I uploaded of him and him doing work and cleaning, and so that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do here. Now, when I set you up initially for the $20 or $25 that you pay, I don't do all this because this is a different service I have, but I will set up a couple of one here, and then I'll also do photos, as many photos as you provide, up to 5 if you have a cover, if you have a video. And I did 3. I usually do 5 with this, with the $20 service. Okay, and so get back to me. My you have my email. Email me the code once you get it. This code here. You know, you can take a copy of the envelope and send it to me, or a photo of the envelope and send it to me, or you can just tell me the code is this and just type it in the email. And so you're set. Hopefully you get that soon. It's gonna come in the mail within uh, 5 days. I'm sorry, 12 days because of COVID. Right now everything's taking a little longer, so within 12 days you'll get it, and send it to me. Alrighty, thank you.